Hi YouTube, NARDIP here. In today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new application from WhatsApp. So let's dig into it. It just appeared on Play Store. I installed. Let's open it. This application is going to show you agree and continue and not a business. If you click on a not a business, this is going to switch you to a regular WhatsApp. So let me cancel it and agree and continue, and activation process is the same as regular WhatsApp. So let me enter my phone number. Here we go, my WhatsApp is ready. It's looking for the backups. So it's going to ask you a name for your business profile. Once you set your business name, it can't be changed. So I will set as NARDIP. Okay. Here we go. We are in this application, and the color of this application is little bit dim green, and it has all those groups which I was using in a regular WhatsApp. Here on to left there is camera, and on to right status and calls. All these things are same, but in settings there is a new settings, business settings. In this, if you click, there is a profile. You can set a proper business profile for your business, your address, your business category and description for business, and your email address and your website address. And in the next stat, you can see how many messages you sent, delivered, read or received in your last day or in last month. Away message, this is very useful feature in this application, which you can set. If for example, if you are away from your phone, and you can set a auto reply the message coming to you. So you can set like I will call you back, or I will text you back in 10 minutes, or thank you for your service. And greeting message is almost same, like greeting customers when they message you first time or after 14 days of no activity. If you don't do activity, if you forget to get back to your customers, you can set as a greeting message. And quick replies, you can set also quick replies when you are far from your phone. And the benefit of this application is that you can also use your landline number to contact your business customers. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.